The biodiversity strategy outlines that we need to basically improve the condition of ecosystems in the EU, to improve the status of both habitats and also of species, and to improve, therefore, the flow of ecosystem services to society. The idea of the law is to restore nature, and it outlines a number of targets. Targets are time-bound objectives. Some of these build on the objectives already described in the Habitats Directive, and others go beyond that to include other areas. So we may, for example, consider areas such as agroecosystems. There are targets relating to agroecosystems. There are targets relating to forests. There are targets on marine. There are targets on rivers and wetlands and coastal wetlands. And in coastal ecosystems, some of it can be removing certain dikes or certain barriers that have been put into place. It can entail quite a lot of different things.